To turn on or turn off tamper protection in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Set menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then tap Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection, and then on Virus and Threat Protection settings, select Manage Settings, and then scroll down screen. On Tamper Protection, tap switch until on to turn on or tap switch until off to turn off. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Tap yes if you sure. Prevents others from tampering with important security features. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.